Koh Phi Phi in this beautiful bungalow. It's absolutely amazing. To get here was quite a journey though. We were at Calsoak National Park, so first thing we had to do was catch the boat that goes from that floating resort to the pier. That was included. It was absolutely beautiful. And from there, James found a couple that was headed the same direction as us, and we got
a private minivan, which we split the cost because the whole cost, if you were to do it by yourself, would be about 3,000 baht. So we split the cost, would be about 1,500, and was definitely worth it because if you were to take the regular bus, it would take about 4 hours just to get to Onang, which if you take what we did, it took only just 2 hours.
Yeah, it was really nice, and it was pretty luxurious. We were like laid back with our feet up. Like, it was a great way to travel. I've been through much worse. And then last, and I thought was really fun, was the speedboat to get out to this island. So we're at the Phi Phi Islands, which is like a group of islands, and we're on the main one, which is Koh Phi Phi Dawn. It took about how long to get out here?
It took about less than an hour. With the speedboat, it took less than an hour. The whole review said it took 2 hours if you were to take by ferry, but here it took about just 1 hour, and it was really bumpy. Like, people got sick. It was not for the faint of heart if you were drinking the night before and getting on that boat.
I loved it. I thought it was so fun. But we got here, and this island, just from the outside, is everything that it's cracked up to be. James has been here before. It's one of the places he told me that he has to take me, and we have to check it out. We were pretty tired last night, so we just checked out our little villa, grabbed some dinner, lunch, and then took a nap.
Yeah, we took a nap, but the dinner was amazing. It was right on the beach. It was near this hotel, so it was only about a 10-minute walk, because just getting here to our hotel, we had to go through the far parts of Phi Phi, the more quiet area where a lot of people really don't go. This hotel was this it looked like it was just been built during COVID or so, or extended, but it was really beautiful. It's right on the beach. We have a private beach we want to show you guys later on today, but as of right now, we're so hungry. It's early in the morning, and we're gonna get some breakfast. So join us as we get some breakfast and explore the town, and we'll see from there. We got no plans today, guys. Alright guys, so we just got back to our hotel. Where did we eat breakfast, babe?
Patcharee French Bakery.
And this place was by far one of the best places I've ever eaten here in Phi Phi. And she found it. How did you find this place? It was...
Well, I just did vegetarian search on Google Maps and read a bunch of the reviews, and the pictures and everything looked amazing, and it did not disappoint, including for him. It wasn't full vegetarian. It was just vegetarian friendly. So
yeah,
how was your meal?
It was really good. I had the signature dish, which was a croissant, scrambled eggs, and then you also have like a Thai crab curry with it, which was really delicious. What did you have, babe?
I had just the vegan breakfast option number 2, which had an egg on it. I think vegan for them, they like cross-reference with vegetarian. It's kind of same, so just be aware of that. It was huge. It had beans and toast and vegetable and avocado, mushrooms. I don't think I can list everything. Some fake meats I'd never tried before that were really delicious, and a huge plate of fresh fruit on the side. I was so full, like amazing. It was really, really good.
By the end of this meal, we were just stuffed. And also, like right next to it, which was really convenient, was this tourist information area where we actually booked our next travel, or like our next trip or tour, which was the Maya Bay tour.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're going on the half-day tour. We're doing the early bird special to try to beat some of the crowds. So it leaves at 6:30 in the morning, and we're gonna hit a bunch of the islands, not just Maya Bay, but that's like the one you have to see if you're here. But here in Koh Phi Phi, that's what most people come for, is the island tour. So I'm really excited to do that tomorrow. It's gonna be a beautiful day, and see all the islands.
Yeah, so after all of that, we're pretty much tired, so we're just gonna relax here for a bit, keep you guys updated. But as for now, our plan is having no plans and just relaxing in our bed for most of the time.
I'm gonna go to the beach that's 50 yards away, and the bed, and the beach, and the bed. I'm excited. So that's the other thing about Phi Phi. Like, there's a good nightlife here, but other than that, it's relaxation, and I'm here for it.
So yeah, definitely, guys, we are gonna relax, and we'll see you guys when we see you guys.
This morning we did that early bird tour and got back around 10:30, and we were absolutely exhausted. So we just barely woke up from a nap and have kind of been chilling around the house, doing a lot of nothing. Feels pretty good. But the tour was really, really good. I had a good time, baby.
I had a good time too. We booked the tour and it was about 1,000 baht each, so we paid $2,000. That includes the tax fees and also the tour itself on a speedboat. It was from 6:30 in the morning to 10:30. What did you thought about the overall experience, babe?
The overall experience was pretty cool. It's what you expect if you've been on these kind of tours. I really liked stopping at the sites. Seeing the beautiful beaches is my favorite part. I could do without the like snorkel and swim kind of in between. What about you? Yeah.
I agree. Me and her, we both have the same feeling about snorkeling. We both don't like it. We prefer not to get in the water, especially the way they were handling it. And plus, we're from Hawaii, so we see a bunch of turtles and sharks everywhere. So it was not really our thing.
Yeah, I mean, I do enjoy snorkeling. This one does not like snorkeling or boats.
So, not at all.
So it was cool of him to come with me on this. But the snorkeling I like is going to be like relaxed snorkeling, kind of on my own, where I get to just check things out. This snorkeling was very much, if you've done a tour, anytime I've done a snorkeling tour, it's the same thing. Oh guys, there's turtles over here, get in the water. And then less than 5 minutes later, get out. And it just felt like we were like in, out, like rushing. Look at this turtle, look at these sharks. Like, It seemed like everyone else enjoyed it, but James and I just stayed on the boat for the snorkeling part. We've seen turtles before. Maybe we're a little jaded, but there was no reason to get in and out. Once we actually stopped at the lagoon, at this really cool lagoon,
Yes.
we did get to actually jump off of the boat and swim around a little bit. So we definitely enjoyed the ocean and the beautiful scenery. We just didn't want to do the rush snorkeling. So I don't know if we would necessarily do this tour again.
I don't think so. Honestly, like this tour was great, but if they had just like a one-way or round trip ticket to just do Maya Bay, that would be probably worth it. But as the overall thing, it's just something they add on just so that you can get much of a better experience while you're here. But after the tour, we were quite exhausted and hungry. So we went back to the place that we really love the most here in Koh Phi Phi, and that is what, babe?
It's Patcharee Bakery. So where we had breakfast yesterday is where we had breakfast again today. Their menu is huge, and they have all kinds of good stuff. It's like a French-style bakery. Their coffee is really, really amazing. They have lots of vegetarian options. I ended up kind of making my own little like English muffin, egg, cheese, and the plant-based patty with some avocado on it. It was delicious. I also ordered the pumpkin soup, which I don't know why, but I've been craving for a long time, and it didn't disappoint either. We like dipped everything inside of it. What did you have?
I had the corn fritters with grilled salmon and avocado and poached egg. That was wonderful. But yeah, after that, we booked another tour or one way back to Rimlay.
Yes.
Which will be going there tomorrow.
Yep. So Raleigh's our next stop. Raleigh? How do you say it?
Rimlay?
Raleigh.
If I said it wrong, please correct me, but I think it's Rimlay Beach. But other than that, we came back to our room and we were quite exhausted, like we said before, and we just took a long ass nap.
Yeah, so now we've gotten ready, and I think we're just gonna go out again. It's our last night in Koh Phi Phi, and we're just gonna see what we can get into. I know after that nap, I'm definitely hungry. I might want to look at some tank tops that I thought were really cute. You know, just go wander around. Okay guys, so last night over dinner we got to talking, and there is one more thing to do on Phi Phi that we didn't get done, and we decided that we'd wake up at sunrise. How you doing, baby?
Brutal.
And go check out the viewpoints here. So that means last night we went to bed, or found a reason to go to bed early. It was wonderful. So I'm pretty excited. Babe, how are you feeling?
Pretty excited. Well rested.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm proud of us for getting my workout in. Ooh, 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 ooh. And we're gonna go check out this hike. And I got my boyfriend to do another hike with me.
Yay!
Okay, it's supposed to be really pretty, so we're gonna try and show it to you guys.
right, guys, that is it for PP. What else do I say?
After our hike this morning,
we
caught a speedboat.
we caught a speedboat
Straight to our next destination.
straight to our next
Because we
destination
wanted to check it out.
because we want to check it out.
But first,
But first,
babe,
what
did you think about Phi Phi?
did you think about PP?
I really liked Phi Phi, guys. I could definitely see myself spending almost a week there. It's kind of known as a party destination, but we kind of checked out the nightlife, and James said that it was way smaller than it's been before, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so we actually just ended up mostly chilling. We had like a private beach. We would wake up in the morning and do all kinds of stuff in the sun. We did our tours and then take good afternoon naps and get some good food at night. I really enjoyed myself. I feel like there's a chill side of Phi Phi that people don't know about, and I would definitely go back. What about you, babe?
For me, I've been back quite some time, and it's been a while, but a lot of things have changed. And would I choose this island over other islands that Thailand has to offer? Maybe not. So I really didn't care for the experience here. It was fun though. If you haven't been here before, I would highly suggest you guys come here. But if you had a choice between this or another island, I would choose the other islands.
Yeah, I guess I can't wait to see some more, because this is only my like third spot, and he's like telling me there's so much better. So where we are today actually is Rimlay Beach, which is usually kind of a day trip off of Ao Nang. We went ahead and booked an overnight because we have a really cool night tour I'm excited to check out. Yeah, guys, so that's about it for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe to it, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah, come with us for the next vlog in Rimlay Beach. Bye.
See you guys then.